Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be discussing Nvidia's unveiling of Rubin, its next-generation AI supercomputer platform, OpenAI's strategic outlook heading into what many are calling a defining year for the company, and Microsoft extending Copilot security incentives to push enterprise adoption forward. Nvidia made a major announcement this week with the reveal of Vera Rubin, a rack-scale AI platform that introduces 6 new chips designed to power the next wave of AI development. This platform is built specifically for large-scale agentic AI, long-context inference, and what Nvidia is calling multi-tenant AI factories. The package includes Rubin GPUs, Vera CPUs, Bluefield 4 DPUs, and Spectrum 6 networking components all working together as an integrated system. The scale here is impressive. Each rack can house up to 72 GPUs in what they are calling the NVL72 configuration, and the entire architecture is designed to support AI factories running at the million GPU scale. Nvidia is putting a strong emphasis on efficiency, security isolation, and handling the kinds of complex agentic workloads that are becoming more common as AI systems take on tasks that require sustained reasoning and autonomous decision-making. Jensen Huang, Nvidia's CEO, said during the announcement that Rubin takes a giant leap toward the next frontier of AI. The major cloud providers are already on board, with AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure all planning deployments in the second half of 2026. This kind of unified support from the biggest names in cloud computing shows just how central this hardware will be to AI infrastructure going forward. When you think about what it takes to run the increasingly sophisticated models being developed today, having purpose-built hardware at this scale becomes essential rather than optional. OpenAI is heading into 2026 with a lot on its plate, and recent reporting gives us a clearer picture of the company's strategy and the pressures it faces. The company is pursuing what can only be described as trillion-dollar scale infrastructure ambitions, while simultaneously navigating increased regulatory scrutiny and intensifying competition from Google and other major players. The strategic focus appears to be shifting somewhat. While OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of model capabilities, there is now a stronger emphasis on deployment, enterprise adoption, and government partnerships. The company has also ramped up its lobbying and policy engagement efforts in the United States, recognizing that the regulatory landscape will play a significant role in shaping how AI develops over the coming years. Sam Altman addressed some of these challenges directly, stating that the benefits will be enormous, even if the harms are real. This kind of candid acknowledgement reflects the complex position OpenAI finds itself in as it tries to balance rapid innovation with responsible deployment. The financial realities are also significant, with the company managing substantial operational costs while working to convert its research leadership into sustainable business success. What stands out is the ambition and willingness to engage openly with both the opportunities and challenges ahead. Microsoft is continuing to remove barriers to enterprise AI adoption with an extension of its security incentives for Copilot customers. The company has extended a 50% discount on its Purview compliance suite, making it more affordable for organizations to implement the data governance and security tools needed to deploy Copilot at scale. This discount will now run through June 30th, 2026, and applies specifically to Microsoft 365 Copilot customers who add the compliance tooling to their deployments. According to the Microsoft Partner Center notice, the offer aims to accelerate Copilot deployment by reducing compliance barriers. This is a direct response to feedback from enterprise customers who have identified data security and governance as primary concerns when rolling out AI assistants across their organizations. For large enterprises, especially those in regulated industries like finance and healthcare, having robust compliance frameworks in place is not optional. By bundling these tools at a reduced cost, Microsoft is essentially saying they understand the hesitation and want to make it easier for IT departments and compliance teams to give Copilot the green light. This move reinforces Microsoft's commitment to making AI practical and deployable in environments where security and regulatory requirements cannot be compromised. The extension through mid-2026 gives organizations a meaningful window to take advantage of the pricing while building out their AI capabilities in a responsible way. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.